Welcome back. Some travel agents are earning good sum of money by cheating the tourist. Few travel agents are charging huge sum of money from tourists for visa on arrival facility at the airport. They charge huge fees in the name of immigration officers at the airport. When questioned, the travel agents argue on growth of tourism. Prudent also met the immigration officers on this issue, but they refused to comment.
Listen, there are two things. You want to promote tourism, I want to break tourism. Choice is yours.
Your choice. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
They are doing now visa on arrival, right?
Yeah.
So, on what grounds are you proving that it's illegal?
Outside money. You are
collecting money outside the airport.
Who said? They have to pay the immigration.
What?
Huh? They have to pay the immigration person, right?
Outside airport.
Immigration?
Outside airport.
When Goa expects rise in tourist inflow in the state, some travel agents are earning by cheating the tourist. It is known that these travel agents mint money by claiming that the fees are charged by the immigration officers. These are the Russian tourists. They are charged huge sum of money for visa on arrival facility. Around $100 are charged for every visa facility.
Visa आगा काय देता वो immigration stamp मारता वो इधर immigration नहीं सर ते stamp मारता ते वो
आणि पैसे बारी गाव म्हणून झाला
डॉलर देता मला रा तू ना करा
अरे पैसे बारी घ्या म्हटला पैसे बारी घ्या.
We tried to contact the immigration officers on this issue, but they refused to comment. Sources in the immigration office informed that the tourists are charged nominal fees for the facility.
visa on arrival म्हणतात का ओके तुमको सगळे डॉक्युमेंट दाखवतो मी सगळे फुल डॉक्युमेंट फुल डॉक्युमेंट तुमका दाखवतो मी
वेर यो
जाऊ प्रॉब्लेम ना आपण पोलीस आहे.
The center has extended visa on arrival facility. The single entry tourist visa will be valid for 30 days. The facility is expected to bring in growth in tourism during the ongoing season. But these agents are cheating the tourist by charging huge sum of money for visa on arrival facility. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Narcotics Control Bureau seized charas worth 1 kg 40 grams on Friday in Mapsa. The NCB got a tip-off on which a trap was laid to arrest the drug dealers. An Israeli national Eden Amzal and Portuguese national Filipe Costa were arrested at Mapsa bus stand. They had travelled from Mumbai to Goa by bus. The cost of drugs in the market is estimated to be around 2 lakh rupees.
1 kg 40 grams charas was seized in Mapsa on Friday night. On a tip-off from sources, the Narcotics Control Bureau laid a trap to arrest the drug dealers. One national of Israel, another national from Portuguese were arrested. They were travelling in a bus from Mumbai to Goa. Eden Amzal and female tourists Filipe Costa are currently in police custody. The police arrested the duo and interrogated. The duo tried to flee from sight, but the officials arrested them. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Old Goa is amidst tight security for the exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier. Over 100 CCTVs are set up within the premises of Old Goa. However, Karmali railway station, which is very close to the exposition area, is left without attention. There are no CCTVs set up at the station. Many of the tourists and pilgrims will be travelling via train at Karmali. PRO of Konkan Railway informed that CCTVs will be set up in the coming year.
Have a look at Karmali railway station. There are no CCTVs set up for security reasons. Thousands of people travel through the station every day, but there are no CCTVs. Exposition of sacred relics is happening at Old Goa. All security measures are considered, but this railway station is ignored. We contacted the PRO of Konkan Railway, Baban Ghadge. He said CCTVs will be set up next year.
The CCTV camera लायला तर आम्ही गेल्या वर्षाला लायला टीव्ही आता कर्मणी आता या वर्षाला घेतला आम्ही
या वर्षाला घेतला आता तर तुमच्याकडे काय नाही अजूनपर्यंत
ना
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.